Lee Harris and Greta, Amy has a water problem on her property. She sent us an email saying she has had water pooling in her yard since early September of last year, and I suspect with this week of weather, she has some more. She contacted the water company. They said they found no leaks. Finally, a plumber determined the water was not coming from her home. She said it's coming from her next-door neighbor. Her homeowner association says it's a civil matter, and they want her, Amy, to confront the next-door neighbor. Amy says she doesn't like confrontations, and she is wondering what can she do to avoid a face-to-face meeting. What would you suggest on that, Lee or Greta?
Well, Amy, I'm with you. I don't like confrontation either. And my husband always says, "Well, you're an attorney." And I said, "I know, but I still don't like confrontation." So I get it. Mm-hmm. So I think the best thing to do is to, I know it sounds weird to send your neighbor a certified letter, but perhaps send them a letter or deliver a letter to them and explain what the problem is. And if you have an estimate, for example, of what it's going to cost to fix it or how to fix it from a professional, I would add that as well. And basically explain that the homeowners association has told you, Amy, that this is a civil matter and you don't want to go there with your neighbor because you want to have friendly relations. So can we get this worked out amongst ourselves? And, depending on who your neighbor is and how they react to things like that, some neighbors would say, "Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Yes, let's get it worked out." And some would say, "Go pound sand." So, or somewhere in the middle, like let's split it or something like that. So once you have that, letter sent and you get the response, give them a short time frame to respond to you so you know whether they missed the deadline or not. And then, contact us back and we'll see what the next step is if it doesn't go well.
Yeah. Do you think that's going to work though, Lee? Will the letter? It will. Yeah.
When people have these disputes, if they're friendly neighbors, generally neighbors will work things out. Sometimes you get those situations where you got a neighbor who's just, doesn't want to deal with any issues and just is going to either ignore it or say, "No way, it's not my problem." And in that case, that's what you do have to go to the courts for. But courts are expensive and time consuming and stressful. So anything you can do to avoid going there is always the best.
Good suggestion. If you want to see what sellers are saying about us, periodically I do videos with our sellers at a closing table. You can go to LouisvilleSellersTalk.com, and I've done with buyers as well, LouisvilleBuyersTalk.com, if you want to check those out.